products full lineup, starting from mobile phone, Xperia, headphone, and digital imaging product like a camera. So all our display is hands-on, so you can enjoy the hands-on experience. So you can touch and try. So please come to our shop to experience our Sony new technology product. Thank you.
My name is Nobuyoshi Otake of Sony Philippines. We have opened this latest Sony Center in this SNC side shopping mall. We have a variety of the latest products. Please enjoy with this the product and touch and try. Please visit. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.